Hello fellow yogis, this is Sabina and welcome to our sacred yoga space. Today we are going to explore the beautiful and powerful tree pose Vrksasana. From Sanskrit, Vriksa means tree and asana means pose. This pose embodies the graceful strength and tranquility of a tree, encouraging us to cultivate a sense of grounding and balance in our lives. To start, we stand in Tadasana, the mountain pose. Scoop your tailbone down to neutralize your lower back. Take a nice long spine, shoulders down, away from the ears. A deep long breath in here with me now. And when you breathe out, gently close your eyes to set an intention to be as steady and serene as a tree, giving yourself permission to be vulnerable like trees in the wind, in the storm. Envision yourself in a beautiful park. There are so many trees here, and you take on the recognition that no tree, no leaf is exactly the same as the others, as everything in nature is just unique and special, and so do you. Your legs are like tree roots digging down, 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 down into the rich soil beneath you. And your arms are like tree branches supporting you while you climb and balance on your tree. Now softly blink your eyes open and find your drishti point, a non-moving point you can focus on to find some steadiness, some balance. And start shifting the weight of the body onto the right leg, bending the left knee to take the sole of the foot to your right inner calf, or maybe all the way up to your right inner thigh. Allow your left knee to stay really open to the side as much as you can, aligned to your hips. And you can use your arms like tree branches to support you. You can take your palms together in front of your chest, or maybe reach your arms to the sunlight, palms together or apart. On the physical level, tree pose strengthens the ankle, thighs, the entire back, and improves flexibility in the hips and the groins. On the energetic level, it connects you to Muladhara, the root chakra, located at the base of the spine. Muladhara is responsible for your sense of security, stability, safety, and survival. It is your home base. And when you reach your arms towards the sky on a subtle level, Vrksasana also opens up Anahata, the heart chakra, the center of your loving and compassionate nature, and the crown Sahasrara, connecting you with the higher consciousness, with the divine, everything that is above you, whatever that means to you. Anytime you need to release the pose, please feel free to release the pose. You can drop your foot down and shake your legs, maybe roll your ankles a couple of times both directions before climbing on your tree on the other leg. Remember, it's okay if you sway side to side or even if you lose your balance. Give yourself permission to be vulnerable like a tree in the wind, in the storm. By practicing Vrksasana, you are not only strengthening the body, you are also improving your mental resilience and your spiritual connection. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep reaching to the light and stay grounded in your roots. Namaste.